Good morning! Ulit. Okay, ready? Good morning, guys! So today we're going to explore around the National Galleries of Singapore. So this whole this whole building pala is a formerly known as the City Hall of Singapore. So right now, naka-house ngayon dito yung mga arts and the galleries that they have in Singapore. So we'll check it out later. No? But this one is situated in the middle of the city, which is in fronting of the Marina Bay Sands. So actually, during the National Day of Singapore also, they do and conduct their own their national parade here in front of the gallery. So yon. So right now we're going to tour around inside the National Gallery. So come check it out. So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa may Supreme Court wing. This houses the Supreme Court before, no? Yung main wing niya. And then the other side is actually the City Hall wing. Mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo. So there are multiple floors within the National Gallery, and where you can see curated arts from not only from Singapore but also from Southeast Asia. So merong mga pieces galing sa Thailand, from other parts of the Southeast Asian nations where you can explore. Okay? Make sure to wear your pass kasi hinahanap nila once you enter. So guys, nandito tayo sa may Gallery 2. Kung makikita niyo yung Juan Luna painting. The Juan Luna painting, this one as well, and also that one. Okay? Yung dalawa na yun yung search nila sa Google, nakalimutan. So that two painting is called España y Filipinas. Okay? So, it's I think marriage between Spain and the Philippines. Parang ganun siya. Pero kung makita yung dalawa siya, di ba? Yung original is actually on the one on the left. And then yung right is ginawa ni Juan Luna para sa isang family. Mas polished yung nandoon sa may right side, yung mas malaki. Pero yung original nga, medyo rough siya. Pero mas maganda siya. I think mas maganda siya. So, isa lang yan sa mga paintings ng mga Pinoy dito sa National Galleries of Singapore. And then, this hall, marami ding mga paintings from Southeast Asia. So guys, we're here at the bridgeway from the Supreme Court building to the City Hall wing. So dito tayo galing sa Supreme Court wing, and then pupunta tayo dito sa may City Hall wing. Alright? So as you can see, medyo multi-level siya. So it's divided into two wings. So before nga ito, Supreme Court, tas ito, City Hall. Okay? So medyo mataas siya. Mas pwede kayo mag-picture-picture dito. Maganda siya. Magandang aesthetic niya. Actually, maraming mga videographers na nandito. I think mga pre-love pictures nila. Okay? So guys, andito na tayo inside the City Hall wing. Kung makikita mo, iba naman yung aesthetic niya. And katulad dun kesa dun sa Supreme Court. So ito, parang ganun din. May mga exhibition gallery siya na within these 4 floors. As you can see, itong mga yan, yung area na yan. It's the Singapore Courtyard. Yan. Maganda. Actually, maganda dito mag-photo-photo. Picture-picture. Tapos yun. Okay? So, ikot tayo. So guys, we're done here at the National Galleries of Singapore. So maganda siya if you want a quiet time and enjoy the arts and pieces of curated all throughout Southeast Asia. So yon, it costs $20 per person to enter here, and then you have until 5 p.m. of the day. Nag-start siya ng open of 10 o'clock, and then it closes at 5 o'clock. So yeah, if you have spare time, you can visit this.
So guys, we're going to try today yung Maxwell Food Center here in Singapore. Now, madaming mga food stores dito compared doon sa, actually parehas lang, doon sa Albert Food Center na kinainan ko one time. Now, meron dito mga Michelin star na mga shops and kiosks. One of which is yung Tian Tian Hainanese Chicken Rice, kaso nga lang it's closed. Pero maraming mga big gourmand na mga nandito. So, okay siya. Ang problema lang, mainit. So yan, nakikita mo yung mga ceiling fan. Yan, para medyo cool. Pero maraming tao. At nighttime, medyo parang hindi siya ganun kadaming at jam-pack yung mga tao. Though siguro it's a weekday. That's why. Pero, alam ko parang sa umaga, during lunchtime, maraming tao. Charan! So this one is a salted egg prawns, and then we have the roasted duck and 3 combo. So may pork, may duck, tsaka may pork yata. Yep. So the cost per viand, bawat isang food parang mga nag-range to 8 to 10 Sing dollars. Tapos yun, merong small tsaka medium. Pero ang nga is, dapat meron kayong dalang parating cash pagka kakain kayo sa Hawker Center. Kasi, though meron silang mga QR code, pero hindi po pwede yung GCash natin dito. Meron lang mga certain restaurants na Alipay. Yung mga may Alipay, yun yung pwede yung GCash. Now, yung iba, cash lang talaga. Okay, so be prepared with your cash pagkakakain kayo sa mga Hawker Center. So guys, we're done with eating dito sa may Maxwell Food Center. Okay naman yung food, pero mainit nga lang. So, and maganda kasi mga legit na mga Singaporean dishes yung mabibili na sa mga hawker center. Napunta kami sa may gelato place.